Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to update Ford Ranger navigation. Keeping your navigation maps current is essential for optimal driving, ensuring you always have the latest road information and points of interest. An outdated system can lead to incorrect directions or missed turns, especially with new developments. We will walk through a simple, step-by-step process using a USB drive, making this task manageable for anyone. This update will enhance your driving experience with improved accuracy and reliability. Before starting the update, a few preparations are necessary. First, visit the Ford owner website and input your vehicle identification number to check for available map updates. Download these files to your computer. Next, prepare a USB flash drive, ideally with at least 16 gigabytes of storage, formatted to XFAT or FAT32. Finally, extract all the downloaded map files directly onto the root of your USB drive, ensuring no folders are created. With your USB drive ready, head to your Ford Ranger. Start the engine and keep it running throughout the entire update, which can take between 30 minutes to 1 hour. It is also crucial to disable the automatic engine shutdown feature in your vehicle settings to prevent interruptions. Insert the USB drive into any available USB port. Your system should detect the update and display on-screen prompts to guide you through the installation. Once the installation is finished, an installation complete message will appear on your screen. At this point, you can safely remove the USB drive. To finalize the update, turn off your vehicle, open and close the driver's door, and then restart the engine. This cycle helps the system fully integrate the new maps. Finally, navigate to your system settings to confirm that the latest map version has been successfully installed, ensuring your navigation is fully updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.